Hey everybody, this is Fred with RedlineAutosports.com and RedlineMuscleCars.com. This is our latest 1967 Camaro. Just came in today. Numbers match 327. It's 700 R4 automatic. Front power disc brakes, power steering, ice cold vintage air, factory blue deluxe interior. All the gauges work. Overdrive transmission shows the indicator. And of course the factory air here. The deluxe blue interior with deluxe door panels. It's got a mini torque starter so it fires right up. Modern power disc brakes, power steering, and the air conditioning blows off. Chrome valve covers. Airflow, breather. Electric cooling fans. Purrs like a kitten, runs down the road smooth. Got a 4-core radiator. Really nice paint all the way through. Car runs, drives, stops, and starts easily. Gauges are mounted in a similar position as factory gauges would have been over the console. This interior is stunning, absolutely beautiful, very nice. New weather strip on the doors, on the convertible top. Nice blue convertible top. It's a manual top. Very nice, solid car. Original top boot is here, in great shape. Very solid, no rod issues of any kind. Nice weather strip throughout. Tail lights, headlights, all that stuff works. Nice chrome bumpers. Really nice 15x8 radial wheels. Got the Cooper Cobra radial tires. They're 15-inch. This car is just snazzy nice inside and out. You can visit us at RedlineMuscleCars.com or RedlineAutosports.com. And of course you can call or text direct at 580-221-4326. Thanks, y'all have a blessed and awesome day. Love the sound of that exhaust. Oh, and check out our 87 short wide 4x4. Really nice truck as well. Y'all stay tuned, RedlineMuscleCars.com.